The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2025 Ford F-150 Tremor with a short bed. This also work on the standard F-150s and the standard beds with the Retrax XR bed cover. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream SkyLine complete bed rack. This bundle is comprised of the 70-inch JetStream load bars in black, also available in silver, the SkyLine towers, and vehicle-specific landing pad kit, Landing Pad 1. Locks are available separately as an accessory but are not required. Crossbars are mounted at a variable distance, center to center, along the length of the rail. Weight capacity for this system is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There's a multi-purpose rack that can handle lots of different gear, like bikes, luggage, and more. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. Make sure to use the link in the description below when making your purchase to ensure you get all the correct parts. Thank you for your support, and like always, thanks for watching.